Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete language in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down. After that go to general management and then go to language option. And now you can see there are two languages in my phone. One is US English and another is UK English. At first if I set UK English as my default language, just tap on apply and give it a moment, and you can see it's changed successfully. Now if you want to delete your US English, you have to just touch and hold it, and here you can see delete option. Also if you cannot find delete option here, just go back, then tap on edit option at the top right corner of your display, then select your language that you want to delete. If I select it, then tap on delete, then tap on remove again to confirm it, and you can see it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can delete language in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.